Corey Black here again, Turntablist. We on scratch number 7. I like to call this drags. What we got right here pretty much is you using the sample that we always using. But what you're going to do is cross the fader for it to come in, but you're going to purposely keep your hand on the record so you can drag it. That can be backwards. So what I'm going to do to show you how to do this, I'm going to use some of the scratches that we've done before to see how it incorporates with all the other scratches. Hit the beat.